Question 1. Minimalist housing hack or hell? Housing is your biggest expense. What's the peak minimalist money housing situation? A. Achieve peak savings. Live rent-free in a tastefully converted dumpster behind a 5-star restaurant. It's eco-friendly, hyper-minimalist, and you get free gourmet leftovers. Who needs plumbing anyway? B. Inherit a massive mansion but refuse to furnish it beyond one artisanal floor cushion. Declare maximal space, minimal stuff as your mantra. Ignore the heating bills and the creepy echoes. It's about the aesthetic of emptiness. C. Find the smallest, most affordable housing that safely and comfortably meets your genuine needs. Whether renting or owning, prioritize function and location over size and status, freeing up cash for things that matter more. Pause the video for a second and think for yourself. What housing choice truly liberates your finances without sacrificing basic human dignity? The correct answer is C. Option A is unsafe and unsanitary extremism. Option B is performative minimalism that likely wastes resources. C represents practical efficiency and aligning spending with needs. Want more brutally honest quizzes to sharpen your financial instincts? Then you need to subscribe to Minimalist Money. We strip finance down to what really matters. Join the Minimalist Money movement. Hit subscribe now.